Here's a nice little boost gauge, some oil feed lines and fittings. Here is the wastegate. I think this one comes with a 7-pound spring in it. And it has a couple different sizes of these flanges, so depending on what size your flange is, you have a couple different options. And we have some exhaust for the wastegate, I think. We have a fan for the intercooler, which I don't know if I'm going to be using. We have all the couplers for the intercooler. What in the world? I'm not sure what that's for. Not sure. Oh, I guess that's for going to the intercooler. All the clamps for them. All the piping. I don't know if this piping is even specific to this truck or if it's just generic. It looks pretty generic to me. I don't really see any custom bends for this truck. Here we have, what the heck is, some boost. Oh, it's a boost controller. Okay. And here we have oil drain. Now it said it had an oil drain plug adapter, which seems really sketchy to me. I don't think I want to go to the oil drain plug to do this, but we'll see.